Hi guys, welcome to Gary Better Life TV. I thank you all for watching my videos and liking, and as well supporting me in your own little way by donating to support this movement. Um, you've noticed that I've been posting some videos, the interviews I had with Baba Karimu, and he has been educating us on what we need to know concerning Yoruba religion, or Ifa religion, as you may wish to call it, or Isheshe. I see that a lot of you are asking for Baba's number, which at least I have provided in the interview. There's a portion of the interview where he mentioned his number to reach him, and I'm sure some of you must have been calling him. So the essence of this video is for the purpose of those who are not in Nigeria and you want Baba to consult Ifa for you, or any other spirituality that you may need from Baba. So this video is mainly for those outside Nigeria who want to consult Baba, consult Ifa through Baba, and maybe because of the distance, or because of the fact that maybe you know me, you know my brand, you know me as a founder of Gary Better Life TV. Possibly, maybe you are much more comfortable with me to help you go to Baba, to monitor or to coordinate your Ifa divination process, Ifa consultation. So, if you need me, if you need my service to help you go to Baba, I'm available for those outside Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, you can go to Baba by yourself. When you call him, you can go to him. But if you're outside Nigeria, you can call me or message me. Preferably, it's message. You can message me via my WhatsApp number, which I'll provide a link in this in the description section of this video. So you can message me and let's talk about how I can help you to go to Baba. And you are free as well to talk to Baba by yourself. So whatever you agreed upon is between you and Baba. Mine is to go to Baba on your behalf to coordinate or to represent you, and to make sure that everything, or whatever you want to do with Baba is monitored by me. So that's just it for those outside Nigeria. So I will show you a clip of the road to Baba's village. You will see that it's not just an easy journey. The location is very remote. I have to park my car at the junction of the town, at the express, then take bicycle, sorry, pardon me, not bicycle, motorcycle. We call motorcycle Okada here. So I have to take Okada straight to the town because the road is not good. Dust and rough road like that. So if you're interested, if you want me to help you to go to Baba, message me. Let's talk about it. If you're outside Nigeria, but if you're in Nigeria, you can find your way to see Baba by yourself. Okay? And if you want me to go to Baba on your behalf, you are free. Call Baba first. Agree with Baba. Mine is to go to Baba on your behalf to represent you and to make sure that everything is done. All the whatever offering and herb or sacrifice that is needed to be offered is or are offered, right? Or if you want a consultation, if you want Baba to consult Ifa for you, I can be there on your behalf as well. I can represent you, right? Then I will dish out the outcome of the divination to you. You know, it will be me and you that I will interpret what Baba must have said, and capture the videos and send the video to you. And any other thing you want to discuss with the Baba, I can represent you. So thank you guys. As you have seen, the road is very bad, and the journey is stressful, and the place is a remote area. Thank you, and bye for now. Bye.